Welcome back. Today we're going to dive into one of Excel most essential functions, the date functions. This function allow you to work with date in Excel, making it easier to manage data related on to time. By the end of this tutorial, you will be effort at using date to handle date in your spreadsheet. The date function is Excel is a powerful tool for managing dates. You can use it to create date values, work with date data, and perform various calculations involving dates. It's perfect for managing schedules, project timeline, and much more. Okay, now let's move into in our Excel worksheet, and we're gonna use here the date functions. So this is the easy sentence, also the argument, and if I use here the date functions, then here you see the year. So this is the first argument, the year you want to create a date for. Then if I say this will be the 2022, then the next argument, month, the month you want to create a date for. So I use here the 3, and you can use also the 1 to 12, and the next one is the day you want to create date for, like 1 to 31st. If I say this will be the 15, then close it with the parenthesis. Okay, so here you got the date, and now you can easily format this one by using the number format, and use the year by using the custom. And if I use this one, the or I use the day for dd for this one, and this way you can easily make it. Okay, now here we got it, the day in there. So that's it for today's tutorial on the date function in Excel, and we have covered the basic sentence and example. Okay, so you can effectively manage date related data in your spreadsheet. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorials.